Hi friends. So today we are going to see an important topic called spherical mirrors. In first video we saw what are mirrors, correct? We saw what are the different types of mirror. Why we are using different types of mirror to define the size of the object. So we already studied what are the characteristics of a plane mirror. In this video we are going to study about what are the characteristics of spherical mirrors. Okay, so I already asked you a question, why do we need to study the shape of the object? Because to define the size of the image. So we already know plane mirror is the only mirror which gives the exact size of the object, correct or not? Okay, so these are the introduction, but in this video we are going to study clearly about what are spherical mirrors. Okay, let me draw a sphere. So this is a sphere, correct? If I cut this sphere into two halves, if I cut this sphere into two halves, if I cut this sphere into two halves, we will get two curved surface. We will get what? Two curved. This one is another curve, this one is a curve, another one is a curve. We get two curved surfaces. Okay, so listen, spherical mirrors are one of a form of curved mirrors. Okay, if curved mirrors are a part of what? They are part of spheres. They are part of nothing but spheres. Okay, so when this curved mirrors is also called as what? Spherical mirrors, or spherical mirrors are also called as what? Curved mirrors. Okay, okay, now listen, you can see that in this, the one side of the sphere, is a polished surface. Now imagine I have cut this too. Can you see a cave like shape here? It is going inside, correct? So I am going to take this as a concave mirror. This as a concave mirror because here the reflection happens only inside. The reflection is happening only inside. Okay, okay, understood? This is silvered. Here it is silvered, and one side it is a polished. Likewise here inside it is silvered. Okay, using silver dioxide I have pasted it. Okay, now the reflection will occur here outside. The reflection will occur here outside. Understood? Okay, so this mirror is called as what? Convex mirror. Okay, so now, so keep it in your mind. If I cut a spherical mirror into two halves, I get two curved mirrors. In this, one curved mirror is considered as a concave, another one curved mirror is considered as a convex. Okay, in one side it will be a reflective surface, another one side it is a silvered mirror. It is a what? Silvered mirror. Okay, like in concave as well as in convex. Now we will study this concave and convex in a very brief manner. Okay, now if I draw a curved surface like this, whenever the reflection is happening on the caves like surface, whenever the reflection is happening on a cave like surface, whenever the reflection is happening in a cave surface, then we consider these mirrors as a concave mirror. Then we can consider that it as a concave mirror. So whenever light is reflected at cave surface, then we consider as a concave mirror. This concave mirror gives a enlarged image, big image. It creates what? Big image. Okay, when you keep the object very close to this mirror, when you keep the object, another one thing, usually it creates a big image, but when you keep the object very close, it gives very big image. It gives what? Very big image. Okay, when you keep the object very closer to concave mirror. Okay, so we can see this concave mirror in as makeup mirrors. In makeup you can see that our skin will show very enlarged because the makeup should be done very clearly, correct or not? Okay, another one thing they can use in a dentist also use concave mirror. Why? To see the tooth whether it is getting germed, all this thing. Okay, so how the tooth is there, using that concave mirror dentist can also find how the tooth condition is this, because it zooms the image, it zooms the image and shows. Okay, another one thing we have convex mirror. In this convex mirror, if the reflection is happening on the vex surface, or we can say at the outside, okay, generally we can call it as outside. When the reflection is happening at the outside, okay, and the reflection is happening in the outside or vex surface, and the light reflection is happening on the vex surface, then we consider it as a convex mirror. Okay, and also the image formed by convex mirror will be very small, it will be very small. We all know we use convex mirror as a side mirror in vehicles, side mirrors in vehicles. Okay, understood? Okay, listen. So we all know there is a thing which we written in on a convex mirror. Objects in the mirror are closer rather than they appear. What do you mean by this? In each and every side mirror of vehicles, this word has been written. Listen, I will explain you. We know that convex mirror shows smaller images, correct? If an object is in a distance, okay, this is a convex mirror, I'm going to place the object here. If the object is some distance, imagine it is an 100 meter, imagine it is a lorry. When we see inside this mirror, this image will be very small. This, it shows the image will be very small, the image will be very small, the image will be what, it will be very small one. Okay, the image will be very small one. Why sir? Means because we already know convex mirror shows a very smaller image. Convex mirror shows very smaller image. So if it shows a very smaller image, even that lorry will look into the mirror as a very small. So as the object is getting closer and closer, we can see a bigger images. We can see what? Bigger images. Okay, understood? So as the lorry is coming behind us, means that lorry will look very big. When it is in 100 meter, even though the lorry is very big, it looks very smaller. Okay, so as we move the object near the convex mirror, it shows what? Enlarged image. It shows what? Very enlarged image. All this image using ray diagrams we will see in upcoming videos. So just know. So that's why we write objects in the mirror are closer rather than they appear, because inside the mirror vehicles will appear coming at a long distance. Okay, coming at a long distance, because convex mirror occupies a very larger area. It shows very large area convex mirror shows. Okay, let me ask you a question, you can comment in this. If you're going for a mechanic shop, okay, your mechanic is replacing the convex mirror. Instead of he is your convex mirror is broken, instead of replacing convex mirror, he has placed a plane mirror. Explain what will be the situation in the comment section below. Okay, in next video, who are all commenting, I will give you an answer. Okay, until then, bye bye, thank you.